Hold on, brother. Let's go. Show me the camera. Zoom. Cool. Alright, it's fine. I'm gonna click on that and then. Okay. Alright, first JavaScript program just asks for an input of a numerical value. Then, if the numerical value fits a certain criteria, the criteria we check with the cases, and if it's good, if it meets the criteria, it gets we get a certain output. If it doesn't meet the criteria, we get a different output. And if the entered value isn't within the set parameters, set rules, then obviously we say no, brother, invalid enter. And then the grade is printed out. And then if the grade is above or equal to 60, then it's a pass. If it's below or less than 60, it's a fail. The logic. Second question. Hey, this one did some stuff to me. Second question prompts the user for a number. User enters whatever string they enter. Then it's stored in input, and then there's a new variable created that now holds the converted string of the inputs taken from the user. So numbered string becomes our new variable. It holds the string version of input, and then we convert it into number with the prefix that is num. That's what is it called? It's a function or a method. I forgot the proper definition there. Right, and then console.log, so we print it out. The converted number is this. Its new type is now num instead of it being string. Truth falsy, I was unable to do, wasn't sure how to go about that one. I did create the array of variables, but going on from here, really wasn't sure. Question 3. Question 2 was a little bit easier. Create a function that takes in a name and is morning. Is morning is either true or false, yes or no Boolean value. So if is morning is true, which is why you have 1, 2, 3 equal signs next to each other, then you print out good morning, said person, exclamation mark. If that if the Boolean for is morning is false, then we just say hello, said individual. So for Alex, since it's true, it'd be like good morning, Alex, exclamation mark, etc., etc., etc. I'll be uploading these on YouTube because my Loom thing doesn't work anymore. Post, this one is easy, the social media question. Question 4, just a bunch of variables within post that hold certain values. Likes is numerical, comments is an array, username and caption are strings, and then we added the add like function, which just increases our like count by 1 every time a new like is added. And then we did the, what do they call it, object destructing, which is just only getting the username and the caption into post and then printing those out. Question 5. Had to get some assistance from ChatGPT here because of the just what is it called? The syntax. So two arrays are created, they are merged. So it's just your first array, 2 arrays are created, create a third array that holds the merge of array number 1 and array number 2. And then once you put those together, you print it out and you get the merged array. Simple. Last question. numbers 1 to 10, get number 10, while the number is greater or equal to 1, print out the number, and then you decrease. So num minus minus means you decrease by an increment of 1. So you just minus 1 every time. So since the number is going to be greater or equal to 1 from 10, so it's 10, okay, cool. Print out 10, decrease by 1. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Once it gets to 1, it stops. And then the pattern. So with the pattern, we print, I was trying to find the logic for this online. So you print 5 rows. Each row has a star and a gap. For the first row, the gaps are equal to the row number minus the gaps are equal to, how do I phrase it properly? The gaps are equal to the row number minus the row number. So if you're in row number 1 and you go minus 1, you get 0 gaps. Minus 1. So if you're in row 1, you minus 1, you get 0 gaps. So you get 1 star printed. If you're in the second row, say 2 minus 1, you get 1 gap between 2 stars. And then if you're in the third row, you get 2 gaps between 3 stars. So in that way. So the first part is just starting with I until I equals the amount of rows. So until I equals 5, just keep printing the different rows. And then here, let j start off as 1, and then j will be equal to row minus 1. So from bad describer, this last one. I know I've already described. And then with the last one, for every new line until k is equal to I, which is our star count or row count, then we'll just keep printing a single new star for each and every single row.